Guys, the future of smartphone is here and it's called the Nothing Phone 2. Guys, we know Nothing aimed for the moon with its Phone 1. The company's first ever smartphone has a stylish design, nice performance, good camera and really aggressive price tag. Overall, it's pretty good mid-ranger. However, it appears that Nothing will now try to shoot for the star with its Nothing Phone 2. In a new interview with Forbes, Nothing CEO Charles Pai disclosed some interesting details regarding the company's upcoming smartphone. For example, he confirmed that the Nothing Phone 2 will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is the same silicon that powers phones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4. When asked why exactly Nothing has decided to use an older chipset in its upcoming smartphone, Charles Pai explained that the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 has received many updates since its release and has proven itself as a reliable silicon. According to Carl Pai, Nothing priority is user experience over being first in the specs race. Also, it appears that the Nothing Phone 2 will try to compete mainly with Apple in the US market. Carl Pai stated that the Nothing Phone 1 has attracted a substantial number of iPhone users and that since the smartphone market in the US currently dominated by Apple, this represents a great opportunity for the Nothing Phone 2. In addition, the Nothing team revealed to Forbes the Phone 2 battery size and release window. Apparently, the Nothing Phone 2 will be released sometime this July and will come equipped with the 4700 mAh battery, which is slightly bigger than 4500 mAh cell found on first gen Nothing phone. Nothing promotes its upcoming smartphone as a premium device, which means it will try to fight the big dogs in the game, Apple's iPhone 14 and Samsung Galaxy S23. And according to Nothing, the efficiency of Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 combined with a bigger battery will give the Phone 2 an 80% overall performance improvements over its predecessors. Now you must admit that this sounds really impressive. However, will the Nothing Phone 2 be as good as Nothing claims? So what do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box below. And we also shared very good updates about OnePlus 12 as well. Go and check out that video, and at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe.